Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to stitch a video on TikTok. So here I already have my TikTok account open, and I already choose what video that I want to stitch with. So after that, just go into this rose button, click, and please take a look on this bottom sections. There are several features of TikTok that we can use. Please scroll into the left side until we found a stitch button here. Then click it. And now please adjust the length of the video. Okay, let me adjust it first. And after that, after we adjust the length of the video, go into the next. And now the next step is just recording our video. Okay, record the video as long as you want. And after you finished, click checklist button here. And now it's already combined to record the video. And after you finished, now you can put more information on the caption sections. And after you finish it, just click pause to post it. So that's all for today's tutorials, guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.